Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how much it costs to own a yacht. Owning a yacht is a dream for many, but it comes with substantial financial commitments beyond the initial purchase. These costs fluctuate widely depending on the yacht size, its type, and how you plan to use it. A clear understanding of these various expenses is absolutely essential to ensure a smooth and enjoyable ownership experience. The journey begins with the yacht's purchase price, which can range from several $100,000 for smaller vessels to tens of millions for larger, more luxurious models. Opting for a pre-owned yacht can significantly reduce this initial outlay. However, remember that yachts, like cars, depreciate. Expect a new yacht to lose between 10 and 20% of its value in the very first year alone. Beyond the purchase, ongoing operational costs are a continuous consideration. Annually, these expenses can be anywhere from 10 to 15% of the yacht's value. Key recurring costs include fuel, which can be substantial for motor yachts, along with essential maintenance and unexpected repairs. For larger yachts, employing a professional crew adds another significant financial commitment to your yearly budget. Don't forget additional expenses like insurance, which usually costs 1 to 5% of the yacht's value each year. Docking fees also vary widely, from a few $100s to several $1,000s per month, depending on location and yacht size. Considering all these factors and budgeting comprehensively will help you fully enjoy the rewarding experience of yacht ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.